German, got some bad bees singing in a German. Can we be friends?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is me, Kavita RT here. So today's video is again a review video. So I thought I should review this product because this is very important for girls, obviously. So this is an eyeliner, and if you're interested to watch this video, you can watch it out, and I hope you will like it. So I'm gonna be showing you how you can apply this eyeliner and everything about the eyeliner, not how you can apply, but basically like how and how is the product. So the main thing that we focus on is our product. So if the product is good enough, we can actually go and buy it. If the product is bad enough, we don't usually spend our money on those things. If you are a college going person, eyeliners are so important that we can't think about going out without an eyeliner. So obviously eyeliner is a must in our purse, or even if you are school going, or even if you are an office going person, you would prefer applying eyeliner over anything else. So today I thought of helping you out guys with some best brand of eyeliner. So it's not best, I would say, but it's an affordable thing. So for a college going person like me, I think eyeliner with some affordability is a must. So the first thing that we obviously see in a product is its affordability. If it's affordable, we will definitely buy it. If it's not affordable, we will definitely not buy it. So this is how I actually choose the products to buy or not to buy. So yeah, this was the introduction before the video starts. So let's get into. So by the title only, you must have already guessed that which product I'm talking about. Yes, it is Lakme Insta liner. So this is the product that I have today, and this product comes in this small bottle kind of tube like this, which is really travel friendly, I would say. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. This is the small tube like packaging, and this is of 9 ml, which is really good. I mean, how much can you ask for this price? So it's priced at rupees 115, I guess. It's when I bought it, it was 115, which I got for like in an offer. It was reduced to 86 rupees. But now I think you can get it for even more cheaper, or maybe a little bit higher. So yeah, that is the pricing of this product. I'm gonna be swatching it on my eyelids and also on my back of my hands, so that you can get an idea about this product. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So this was the swatches on my eyelids and on the back of my hand. So I hope this was really helpful for you. So without wasting any more time, let's talk about the pros and the cons of this product. The first pro is that it is waterproof. Not so waterproof, but yes, it's kind of waterproof and sweat proof as well. The second pro about this product is that it is affordable, obviously. Pro about this product is that it is really jet black, which I really liked about this product. Is really black. Most of the eyeliners I have seen, they don't really give that black kind of finishing, but this gave me a very jet black color, which I really like. The fourth pro about this product is that it is not sticky, and also it is not very much it doesn't dry or your eyes. For some people, dry eyes is a bit of problem. So I've seen some kind of eyeliners which gets very sticky while applying, and after it gets dried it gets sticky, but this one is not like that at all. Fifth pro is that it stays on your eyes for about 5 to 6 hours, which is a must, and it is really important for an eyeliner to stay that long. So this product will stay on your eyes for 5 to 6 hours. The sixth pro about this product is that it is right consistency, so it is not like very flowy or watery. It is not even thick, so it's like minimal, and it is perfect for every girls. Let's talk about the cons. So when we talk about the cons, there are so many cons for so many products, but this product has got very minimum cons, so I would love to tell about the cons as well. So the first cons, as I said you before, it takes forever to dry. Yes, it takes forever to dry. It doesn't get dried up so easily, so you have to wait really long for this product to get dried. So yes, if you have patience, you can wait for it, right? This product is that in this product, there is no ingredient list like what's this made up of, and there is no ingredients list such that like that. So yeah, if you are searching for ingredients and what are the ingredients in this product, you will definitely not find it out, because this product has got no ingredients on it. So I would like to tell Lakme, please add the ingredients, whatever ingredients you have used on this product to make it. So yeah, this was the cons, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button down below, and also if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, you can go and subscribe to it. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.